It's time for your personal global mobility announcement. Brought to you by your friends at Arpin Group.
Hi everyone, I'm Inglis, the Regional Director for Arpin International Group, Middle East and India. Some of you may have seen the recent news or my overly excited LinkedIn update about the Qatar blockade finally coming to an end with the UAE, Saudi Arabia, Bahrain and Egypt. I wanted to share why this was such exciting news for us here in the region and how it affects relocations going forward. 3 years ago, when the sanctions were announced, the UAE, Saudi, Bahrain, and Egypt shut their land, sea, and air borders to Qatar due to a political dispute. The blockade not only stopped all commercial trade for a while, which Qatar was heavily reliant on, but also meant that we could no longer move household goods directly between these countries and Qatar. The only legal and compliant solution was to ship the effects via home country, unload and reload into another container, rebook for export with a new bill of lading and new packing inventory so that none of the documents related to Qatar. Aside from the obvious mass increase in costs of doing the shipment this way, the transit time was anything from 2 to 3 months for assignees whose home country was in Europe or in the US. To put that into perspective for you, the usual door-to-door transit time from the UAE to Qatar, for example, is only 2 to 3 weeks. For many expatriates living in the region, their next career step is to transfer to or from Qatar to or from any of these countries or vice versa. And we're so happy that we can finally manage their household goods with much shorter transit times and within a much better budget. We look forward to assisting you with these inter-regional moves again. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me either on my email address below or on LinkedIn. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.
Arpin Group, helping to keep you updated and informed.